Good morning. That's exactly how my mom answers the phone. Good morning. It's Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. Welcome to Walking in Circles. This is an episode about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, specifically if you're working toward a goal, and breaking your goal down into quarter miles, one foot in front of the other, one step at a time. And that's what this episode is about. So this morning I was doing a workout, and he said, the instructor said, focus on you. And judo wasn't there, so it was either I focus on me or I look at the people on the TV and focus on them. And it was so interesting how much of resistance I had in that little sentence, focus on you. And I think that's so indicative of so many things in our life right now. There's so many distractions. We may have a tendency to focus on other people, what they think, what they're doing, and instead of focusing on us, on me, on what I'm doing, on what I'm thinking. And here's the thing, like any of your goals, you have to do it yourself. No one's going to do it for you. Even like breathing is so important, right? And no one can do that for you. And the minute you stop and focus on it, oh my goodness, how relaxing, how amazing, what a gift. But how often do we do that? And do we feel guilty if we say, well, let me just sit down and focus on my breathing for 2 seconds? On my watch, it has a thing that says, you should breathe. You haven't breathed in a while. So that's one example. Exercise, no one can do that for you. And it really is an act of self-love to prioritize your movement. I love how one instructor always says that motion is lotion for your body. And no one can do that for you, so you have to do it yourself. And heaven forbid we feel guilty for focusing on ourselves, loving ourselves enough to do that. That's just another example. What we eat, no one can eat for you. There's that too. And the minute you focus on what you like to eat, what you love, what's good for your body, what your body loves, what you don't react to in a negative way, I mean, what a gift. And you shouldn't feel guilty about that. So, what he said this morning was, sorry for the noise, focus on you, focus. So I tried, and I did. And I fought the resistance. So in what way do you need to focus on you today? I mean, there's so many ways, and don't feel guilty. Just think about how focusing on yourself just a little bit can help you push you towards your goals, which ultimately helps you to serve others better. We can't serve others if we're like, laid out flat. It's just a fact. Or maybe we can, but we won't feel that great about it. Been there. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and the message of the day is focus on you. Focus. Focus. Whether it's breathing or getting lots of water, or moving your body, or choosing to eat right, or working toward any other goal that is on your mind right now, if you just focus on one thing, that's where you really make progress. Because what you focus on gets bigger. I hope you have a fantastic day, and it was really good to see you all. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you have a great week.